I would like to show you a variation of shooting using only one light with a small softbox. This time, I will shoot the full body of the subject. First, apply the softbox directly on the subject as usual. Place the light at an angle of 45 degrees to the subject, and the distance between the person and the background should be about 2 meters. In this case, the light is hard and the image of this photo is too stiff because the light comes from an angle casting a shadow. Let's try shooting with a softbox turned toward the left wall. The distance between the strobe and the wall is about 1.5 meters. And the distance between the wall and the subject is about 3 meters. Since the distance is farther and the light will be bounced, I increase the amount of strobe light by about 3 stops. The light is reflected on the entire wall, so the surface of the light becomes larger and the light becomes softer. The image wrapped in soft light is very nice. Now I want an accent light hitting the hair. Since there is only one light, place the softbox to the back left of the subject and light the subject same backlit. At this time, I want to use the corner of the light, so swing the softbox slightly outside the subject instead of pointing it directly at the subject. The background and the surface of the softbox should be about parallel. Make the amount of light a little weaker than before. In addition, shine that light on a large reflector so that the bounced strobe light hits the subject. The larger the reflector you use, the light hitting the subject will become softer. There is an accent light on the hair, and with the edge light also on the outline of the body now, soft light is hitting the subject. This looks very nice. Next, I want to make the background a little brighter, so I put this softbox facing the background. The distance between the background and the softbox is about 1.5 meters. And the position of the reflector is the same. The background becomes brighter, and although the hair accent light and the edge light is a little weaker than before, soft light is hitting the subject. This makes a high-key image with a soft atmosphere from the subject, which also makes the image rather sharp. Please change the lighting according to the image you want to take.